Orlando Pirates versus Al Ittihad. A few things that I picked up in game between those two teams. But sizokhuluma nge-Pirates because team yethu, right? The first thing, losing the ball in dangerous areas. Most of the goals that they considered izolo, they lost the ball in dangerous areas. And then Sibiso, wonke umuntu ukhala ngebhodlela. Ibhodlela liyaflopa, but ibhodlela liphuma kuphi? World Cup. I'm going to show you what he did, and I'm going to tell you what he was supposed to do. Igama Vusi, better known as Couch Coach. The next two clips that I'm going to show you is Pirates, one, not rotating the ball and losing the ball in the dangerous area. Then the next clip is Pirates doing what they're supposed to do. A big team, Mfanagit, you have to rotate the ball. Now, let's go. The first one. Siema, ball is on the right-hand side. Siema upasa bani, goal of the season, goalkeeper of the season. Sipho Chain is supposed to take the ball to the left. He doesn't. He takes it back to the right-hand side. Kwenzakalani, now we are under pressure. Why is Faga under pressure, CM? Cross, they almost scored. The second clip, Pirates doing what they're supposed to do. A big team, 165 years old, they play. Ball goes to the right, Liagu CM. Ball comes back to Sipho Chain. Sipho Chain uyenzani, he takes it to the left. Simple. Undaba uyenzani, plays the ball in the middle. Shall change. Rotate the ball, Buffett. When you rotate the ball, you'll always find space. Abekho mnandi labantu laba. Ball in the middle, we get an opportunity to score. Undaba should have done better. Now, simple thing in football. Whether we are a big team or a small team, if you rotate the ball, you'll always find a space. It's either you'll find a space in the middle or you'll find a space on the side. Ibola kwamele lithinte umuntu oku-touch line. It must touch the winger. The right winger comes back in the middle. If kuvalekile la phakathi nendawo, okay, sharp. Siyenzani sibuyisela futhi on the left hand side. Touch line. The winger needs to touch it. Whether it's the winger, whether it's the left back. If we valekile ngithi ngapha siyabuya futhi. There is nothing wrong with keeping the ball. Even if we keep it for 5 minutes, singatholi chance. It's okay. Bazokhathala, bazovuleka. Kukhona lo one ozolahla. Now, CBC. People are complaining on CBC defending yakhe. Man comes from the World Cup. World Cup of World Cups, right? I'm going to show you what he did wrong. Now, the biggest thing or the main thing that you're supposed to do as a defender when you're in the box is to always feel your man. Not feel but you need to touch the man. Now, please roll it. Ball is in the middle. Best attacker. Ball goes to the right-hand side. Now, pause. Now, look at where UCBC. This is the striker. This guy is taller than Undaba. So you can't let Undaba pick up the striker. You are the center back. You can't let a left back or the right back pick up the striker. You can't. Now, watch what happens. Smart striker, ulele, phakathi, inside. Simple thing as a center back, when you're in the box, you need to feel him. Let me give you an example. Go back and watch World Cup. Norway versus Brazil. What did Haaland do to the Brazilian defender? He was not tight on him. You can't give a striker space. Umnikeza space for in. Yeah? You guys are not fighting. You are in the relationship. There's no space here, my man. Be tight on him. Maumfila, you know his movement. If he's going to go in front of you, you know it's okay, he's moving. If he's going at the back, same thing, Banangit. Nothing wrong there. Nothing wrong. Be tight on him. Final clip, Besenya Vala. Pirates losing the ball in dangerous zones. We can't do that, Buffett. Pirates fans bafuna i-status 2. Sizoswina kanjani i-status 2 when we keep on losing the ball in a dangerous zone? Again, futhi, we have a double pivot yethu. Double pivot yethu is supposed to cover when we lose the ball. Beba kuphi because Undaba was wide open. Now, Mdu, please. Ball on the right. Passer, police. Now pause, Mdu. Now watch here. You have Undaba la far away. So far away. Bekusibisu uyiwandla. There is no cover. You have to cover as a full back, whether you are a right back or whether you are a left back. Ibola malile, but I think it's style as a Pirates. I've spoken about this. Pirates itanda upusha their full backs, ba pushe by a pambid. But now it's gonna be a problem because when you lose the ball in dangerous zones, your full backs are nowhere to be found. Nowhere to be found. Mele sifonele khumbule ekhaya. Bekundaba ukuthi ukuphi. Now our double pivot abekho Undaba ukuphi, nowhere to be found. Now play it Mdu. CBC phakathi inside. Why? Because there's no cover. Now CBC mfana get mara Jehovah. Captain of the captains. Captains of the captains. As a defender, always stay on your feet. Simple, basic things. From an early age, we are told, stay on your feet, mfana. Why uhlala phansi? Okay, still pre-season. Maybe uzo improve. But the second 30 something, uzo improve nini. But I thank you for watching Bafethu. Just to summarize, lending in Bonise yon, right? Few things that Pirates needs to work on. Played very well in the first half. I hope they learned they must take their chances because they had a lot of chances, but they didn't take them. But the most important thing is don't lose the ball in dangerous areas. That's the most important thing. If you don't lose the ball in those areas, 100% sure they are going to defend the league. If they don't do that, the league is going back to Pretoria. And the Pretoria Soccer League. Most people don't want that. Do you want that? Maybe Nama I want that. Who knows? Thank you for watching Bafethu. Nyabonga.